Hello everyone, welcome to the video in which we are going to see how can we update the graphics card from our PC. So whenever we are using a graphics card, it is very important for us to make sure that we are using the updated version just so the graphics, the games that we are using are running all smoothly. So in this video we are going to see just that how can we make sure that our graphics card are all up to date. So the process is pretty simple. Without any further ado, let us just dive right into the topic. So in the desktop, just click on the start, actually right click on the start and go to device manager. This will open up this kind of a window, device manager window. So in the device manager window, you need to go to here you need to search for an option that says display adapters expanded. Here you will see the graphics card that is currently being used by your system. Now you need to update this. So right click, go to update driver. There would be two options, search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers. So let us just go with search automatically, and there is a very high chance that you might see this message that the best drivers for your device are already installed. If this is the message, then it's okay, the best drivers are already there. Otherwise, you can just, if you're not happy with this answer, you can go to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So here what will it do? It will just take 5 to 10 minutes and it will give you the result that whether the base driver is automatically is already installed or not. If it is, then you will get the option that it is already installed. Otherwise, you will get the option that it is not installed and you can install it. Okay. Next thing is you just need to right click, go to properties, and here you will see the device type, which device is installed. If you just go with the driver, then you will see that at which date it was installed and what is the driver version. And if you want to see its details, just click on driver details and it will just give you all the details about the installed driver files. So it is going to take a few seconds. Here it will give you all the driver files. So these are all the driver files that are installed. So that's how you can make sure that the latest drivers are installed onto your system. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.